Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Call of Duty on your ROG Ally X. First, ensure your device is fully charged or connected to power for uninterrupted gaming. Next, download and install the Call of Duty game client from your preferred platform, like Steam or Battle.net. Finally, update your graphics drivers to the latest version to guarantee optimal performance and stability. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. To enhance your gameplay, adjust the in-game graphics settings. Aim for a balance between visual quality and smooth performance. For instance, consider setting your resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels or even lower for higher frame rates. Disabling demanding features, such as ray tracing and motion blur, can significantly boost your frame rate, providing a more responsive and enjoyable experience on your ROG Ally X. The ROG Ally X offers versatile control options. You can fully utilize its integrated controls for a fantastic portable experience, perfect for gaming on the go. For those who prefer a more traditional setup, easily connect an external controller using Bluetooth or a USB-C cable. Furthermore, a docking station allows you to connect to a larger monitor, keyboard, and mouse, transforming your Ally X into a powerful desktop-like gaming rig. For the best Call of Duty experience, experiment with the ROG Ally X's various performance modes to find what suits your playstyle. It's also vital to keep your device well ventilated during extended play sessions to prevent any thermal throttling, ensuring consistent performance. Remember to regularly check for both game and system updates. Staying current helps maintain peak performance, stability, and provides access to the latest features and optimizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.